Has your fast computer slowed to a crawl? Do videos take forever to load? Programs barely opening? You're far from alone. Fact: tech companies build computers that need to be replaced every 3 to 4 years. For the longest time, there was nothing anyone could do about it. That is, until now. With Xtra PC, you can keep doing all the things you love on your computer. Surf the web, watch videos, play music, browse photos, work on documents, and more, all at lightning-fast speeds. The best part? It works right out of the box. No computer geek skills required.
My computer had become my worst enemy.
I was having so many problems with my computer. It was slow, it wasn't working as well.
But I didn't have the money to replace a computer. They're so expensive. From the moment I plugged this in, my computer was lightning fast.
Now, I'm not good with computers, but it was super easy. I just put it in my USB slot. All my files and everything were still there.
It was fantastic. Thank you so much, Xtra PC. You saved my computer.
Check out Xtra PC today.